As you dive into the depths of the ocean, a new world opens up before you. The water is crystal clear, and as you look around, you see a dazzling array of colors and life forms. A school of fish swimming past you, their scales glittering in the sunlight. A majestic sea turtle glides gracefully by, effortlessly navigate the currents. A coral reef teems with life, as schools of brightly colored fish dart in and out of its crevices. As you go deeper, the pressure increases, but so too does the wonder. A giant manta ray glides by, its wingspan larger than a car. A pod of dolphins swim past, chattering to each other in a language you can only imagine. You feel weightless, as if you are flying through an alien world. The sound of your own breathing is the only noise you can hear, a constant reminder, the awe-inspiring silence that surrounds you. As you begin to ascend, you take one last look around, etching this image into your memory. You emerge from the water, your heart beating with excitement and wonder at the incredible sights you have witnessed. This is the magic of the underwater world, a place of mystery, beauty, and endless fascination.